Hey, Earl. Here's today's real-world question. Hey, Earl, here's my problem. My guest booked a 42-night stay, then extended another 47 nights, nearly 3 months in total. Now here's the issue. I've tried to schedule a time to enter for basic maintenance, air filter change, condition check, but the guest isn't responding. There's nothing in my listing or lease terms about routine monthly access. I'm wondering, what are my legal and professional options here? How do you handle midterm renters who go silent after extending their stay?
At Real Relief, we specialize in midterm rentals. Here's how we protect our properties and peace of mind from day one. Pre-written terms, our house rules mandate monthly wellness checks for any stay over 30 nights. Pre-scheduled access at booking, guests choose a 3-day monthly window for maintenance is non-negotiable. Platform compliance on Airbnb or Furnished Finder, we follow platform rules but still assert access with documented notice. Off-platform, even tighter. We issue a formal notice, text, and post a note at the door. We document everything entering with a witness if needed. Bottom line, protecting your asset starts with clear boundaries. Silence doesn't override ownership.
Earl's last word: this business is all fun and cash flow, until you realize silence can cost you. If you don't define the rules, someone else will, and they probably won't favor the landlord. This isn't about confrontation, it's about leadership. Whether you're managing long stays or off-platform bookings, this is the difference between peace of mind and a legal nightmare. Which of these do you have written into your rental terms? A. Mandatory monthly maintenance access. B. Midterm rules, but no access clause. C. Nothing formal yet. D. What's a midterm rental? Drop your letter below, plus tag a host friend who needs to tighten up their terms in 2026. Want Earl to break down your situation next? Drop your question below or schedule your discovery call.